Hello everyone. Today I am making white sauce pasta. First we need to take the 2 liter of milk and some onion, bay leaf and cloves. Need to mix well, and once milk is boiled we need to strain. Keep it aside. Then we need to make the white roux. So 1:1 means 50% butter and 50% and maida, like a equal quantity. I'm taking 108 and 108. Both are same quantity. Need to make the white roux. Slow flame, and we need to mix together gently. Nicely mix with the without lumps. We need to mix slow flame. Structure should be like this. Yes. Now we need to take the pan and put the 2 liter of milk. Now we are adding white roux. Before we are making white roux, so that white roux and milk together we are mixing. Then sauce will little bit thickness. We need to mix nicely. Yes, the structure we need. Mix gently without lumps. We need to make the white sauce. Mix it well. Then only it will get creamy and nicely. Otherwise, it will crumble. You need to take the pan and pour it. That's it. Our sauce is ready. Thank you.